Good morning, people. Just had a tea because last night we didn't sleep well because of Hotel Bansi, the great Hotel Bansi. Now we are heading to Kundapura. On the way, we are going to have breakfast in nearby Shimoga. Not nearby, in Shimoga, there is a hotel called Meenakshi Hotel. So that is one of the famous place to have a breakfast. This was suggested by my friend Sudhakar. So let's go and have it. And from there we are heading to Kundapura. Beautiful mountain. So this is what the plan is for today. Let's hope everything goes better than yesterday. From here, Shimoga is somewhere around 74 kilometers and Kundapura is around 152 kilometers. So we'll be reaching soon to the destination. What a view. It's awesome. These are the places makes the ride more interesting. Such a beauty. So people, we have reached our first destination, that is Meenakshi Hotel, Meenakshi Bhavan. He is Sudhakar, he is the guy who suggested this place. I don't know how it is going to be, but hope for the best. There is a little shop in front towards your right side where there is some snacks. All sorts of snacks over here. It's good for the people who are traveling, can purchase something to eat on the way. And he's the manager. So this is how it looks. It looks pretty good for me. These are the menu and the co-founder of this Meenakshi Bhavan. And an antique clock. It's nice, right? The ambience is good. Let's check to the food. The breakfast what they are going to serve us. Our friends, they already had. Let's ask them.
ಏನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಷ್ಟೇ என்ன சாப்பிட்டீங்க இட்லி வடை ஆசமா ஓகே நீ என்ன மச்ச சாப்பிட்ட ஓகே எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வடை சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சா சரி நீ என்னடா சாப்பிட்ட ಒಂದು ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ನೀವೇನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀನು ಆರ್ಡರ್ பண்ணிக்கிறேன் ಚಿಕನ್ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿಯಾ உன்னை சீக்கிரம் ஹோட்டலில் விட்டு துரத்துறாங்க. ஓகே, இதுதாங்க ஆம்பியன்ஸு.
So guys, about the breakfast, I had masala dosa, vada, and some uppit, that is upma they call it as. I like dosa. Masala dosa was very good with lot of ghee, and uppit and vada was like it was like a homemade thing. You guys can check it out once, worth going. But don't miss masala dosa. Yummy. Wow. Check out the place, guys. This reminds me the Tekti in Kerala. Beautiful place. So let's head to Agombe Ghat now. I've been waiting for this. Let's see. After a long time. It's not a big stretch, but okay stretch, but it is dangerous. People be careful. Okay. We are here. This is the view of Agombe Ghat. The beautiful, mesmerizing place. One of the best places in Karnataka, I must say. Isn't it? So people, let's start the Agombe Ghat adventure. And finally, after this, we'll reach our final destination, that is Ocean's Nest. So come on guys, let's enjoy. This stretches like around 13 kilometers and it has 16 airplane bench. So not that great, but okay. Compared to Kulli Hills, this is the smallest one, and the curves are really dangerous here. And my bike has a bigger radius where like I have to turn like it like I am driving a lorry. Sometimes I feel like that. My secondary camera view is not so good. It is not placed properly where there is no helmet or my face visible. I never tried with this one. That's why the view is like that. Next time we'll place it properly. I think putting it on, I might have changed the angle, and it is very low. The camera is placed a little bit lower, I guess. In the next ride, we will check and trial before going for a ride. Then it will be better. This was my last decision to fix that one because I had this and I got it free from Amazon. So I do it. So I placed it over there. Hope you guys are enjoying it, but still I am not convinced with this. Just enjoy the view, guys. I must say the curves are really dangerous, so people be careful. Though it might be a shortest ghat, but still it's really dangerous. It's so nice to ride here. Oh no. See this stuff. This is what I was speaking about. Did you people notice that there was some mud and something that was bled, and they have spread with the mud on it? There must be an accident over there. Someone might have lost their life or might be saved. I don't know. That's the reason I'm telling you guys. Be careful. Wherever, not only this guard, wherever you ride, please be careful. Please wear your gears. It is very hot here, so that's the reason I'm not wearing the gloves and my jacket, proper riding jackets and all. So you guys don't follow that. You better wear the riding gears. I'm a bit overconfident guy. That's why I do all this nonsense things while riding. Okay guys, we're almost here near Rosen's Nest. So this is the road which takes us to that place. It looks like a residential area. I can smell the beach. My friends have already reached there waiting for me to go for a lunch. It's almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So as soon as I reach there, I have to head back to... These guys are planning to go to Shettimane for lunch. So the lunch will be done over there. Let me show you all the beach and the stay. And I am eagerly waiting to see that place. Yes, we are here. Almost there. The mobile holder didn't work properly, so I have placed my mobile in the tank bag. Can you guys see the view? The beach, the first glimpse of the beach is here now. Yes, we have reached, guys. Look at the view, guys. Beautiful, right? We need to take a left over here and go ahead straight. About 500 to 600 meters we'll be reaching it. Wow, this place is also good, right? This must be a 2-star or 3-star stay, I guess. Okay, let's go to our place. Look at the view, guys. Riding next to the beach is another level, guys. And the people who are staying here are so gifted. Hope I would have born here. This is the front view. Yes, I saw this in the photo. Yeah. Yes, guys, this is Ocean Nest. Yes, we are here and my friends are ready. Hope I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye, guys.